Let's go. Yeah, yeah. Brand Nubian Wild Cowboys. Let's go. Started as young boy, came on the set. No videos, no internet. Back then, touch the mic, you was a threat. To touch the mic or even clutch the mic. To touch the mic, you know you had to be on. Now I rule New Rochelle where I was born. Grand Poobah up there was the king. Brought me Lord Jamal to his wing. Wasn't like the same old thing, we was gods. People was ours, they said we was crazy. They said we hate people, far from the truth. Expressed our views and proved it in the booth. Through stress, pain, even strife, we kept it moving, hey, that's our life. All for one, one for all. Blast from the car, house or mall. You know the gods will never ever fall. It's like that, y'all. Yeah. Dot X. Let's go. Check it out. Been across the world with my wild cowboys, one of a kind, crazy style boys. A lot of MCs make a whole lot of noise. They trash motives just for cash. I'm the type that'll take their whole stash. Worldwide, rap never died, it was a coma. I'm here to give it pills, restores health and give it a lot of thrills. Sometimes I even give myself chills. I stay in this business with deals. New York resident, I don't give a fuck who's the president. I still gotta grind when you say Dot X, that's a hell of a line. And I'm a hell of a find. The God is genuine. Damn, motherfucker, take mine. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yo.